Welcome, Trio. Today we're going to go over the 5-number summary for stats. Given a sample set of numbers, find the 5-number summary to summarize this set. So here we go. The 5-number summary consists of 5 things. First, we need what is called the minimum. Then we need Q1. Then we need Q2, which we call the median. Then we need Q3, and then we need the max. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers. Okay. So in order to do that, first we need to find the median. The median is in the middle if you put your numbers in numerical order. And here we have them all in numerical order. So we're good to go there. So to find the number in the middle, you just add up all the numbers you got. Find out how many numbers you have. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you add 1 to that. So 7 plus 1 makes 8. Divide that by 2. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. So that means the median will be located in the 4th position. That doesn't mean the answer is 4, it means the 4th number is our answer. So let's circle that. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be our median. So we have Q1, Q3, we can call this Q2. Q1, Q2, Q3. Q2 means 50%. 50% means the middle, and so we call it the median, the one in the middle. Now, to find that one, we did it. The min is easy, it's the smallest number. So that just jumps out at you. The max jumps out at you. It's these 3 in the middle that's a little bit tricky, but we know how to find the median. Add 1 to the total number of things you have, divide by 2, that gives you the place to look for. Now, we do the same thing again to find Q1, but only on this side of the median. So we have 1, 2, 3, plus 1 gives you 4. Divided by 2 gives you 2. So it will be the second number. Q1, this was min, this was max. And we do the same thing again. 1, 2, 3, plus 1 makes 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2, so the second number. Q3. So now we have our summary. The minimum is always the smallest number when we have them in numerical order, so that's 4. The max is always the biggest number, so that's 18. The median is the number in the middle, which we found to be 9. Q1 is the number in the middle of the first half. In the middle of the first half, that's 5. Q3 is the number in the middle of the second half, which was 15. We box it, and this is our 5-number summary. I'll be back with another example. Welcome back, Trio. Here we are with another example. We're trying to find a 5-number summary. The last time we did it, we had an odd set. Now we're going to see what happens when you have an even set. I didn't say that with the last example, but now this example is a little bit different. And that's why I want to do this one now, because it's just a 1 step harder, but it's still easy. So we have the 5-number summary. We want to find the min, Q1, the median, Q2, and the max. The min and the max, they just read off from the board once you know you have your numbers in numerical order. So we have it in numerical order. That means the minimum is going to be 2. and the maximum is going to be 28. Easy to read. Now we need to find Q2, which is also called the median, before we find Q1. So again, I said the formula was to just add up the number of things you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 1. So 10 plus 1 is 11. Then divide that by 2. 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. So that means we're in between the 5th and the 6th numbers. Like that. So we're looking in between here. So that means because we have an even set, we will need to add these two up and divide by 2. So we need to find the average of these two numbers. So the average of these two numbers, 20, 30, we add them up. 30 divided by 2 gives us 15. So our median is 15. Now, to find Q1, we want to look at the first half. So if the median is here, all of these numbers is below the median. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, including the 14. And 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is going to be 3. So we want the third number. So the third number is 9. So this equals 9. So let me circle. This one was the median. This one was the minimum. This one was the maximum. This one is the median. So now we need to find Q2. Q3. This should be Q3. Minimum, Q1, median, which is Q2, Q3, and max. So Q3 is in the middle of the second half. So if we do that, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 2. 5 plus 1 is 6 divided by 2 gives us 3 again. So we want 1, 2, 3, the third number. And that one gives us 22. So we have our 5-number summary. So the 5-number summary we have to be 2 for the minimum, 9 for the first quartile, 15 for the second quartile, which we call the median, 22 for the third quartile, and 28 for the maximum. Okay, that concludes this example. Go Trio!